Digital Marketing All in All. Course Overview Description. This course provides an introduction to some of the most powerful digital marketing tools available today. Students will learn how to tap into the key advantages of these tools to bolster their digital marketing efforts. These services can be used together to create a synergistic effect and turn an anemic marketing strategy into one that produces better results and higher ROI. We teach how SEMrush can be used to discover key insights from competitors such as their PPC and SEO keywords, estimated traffic from each, ad copy, and more. We show how Ahrefs can drill down into the links your target site has. These links act as credibility boosters. By exploring links to similar offerings, you can figure out a coverage neighborhood that would be most receptive to your own offerings. We show how to use Rocketreach, Hunter, and Voila Norbert to identify contact information for influencers and other important people. By building mutually beneficial relationships with people working in your field, you can create value for both your site and theirs. We show you how to use Adespresso to add easy-to-use AI, split testing, and targeting to your ads. These additions can lower costs while maintaining or even increasing valuable traffic and conversions via the platform. Marketers who develop a strong understanding of these tools will be better equipped to promote virtually any time of website. Courtesy review copies were provided. Who is the target audience? People who want an introduction to popular and beneficial tools that can help market their business, blog, nonprofit, or other offerings. Requirements: no prior knowledge is needed, and we welcome anyone with a desire to learn about digital marketing tools. A well-executed digital marketing plan is a proven component of success in business, and Digital Marketing All-in-One for Dummies covers everything you need to build and implement a winning plan. Whether you're a novice in the online space or an expert marketer looking to improve your digital ROI, this book has easy-to-absorb tips and insights that will turn online prospects into loyal customers. This book compresses the essential information on 8 topics, so you have all the information you need and none of what you don't. You'll learn social media marketing, marketing to millennials, account-based marketing, influencer marketing, content marketing strategies, and more. Use targeted, measurable marketing strategies to promote brands and products, increase brand awareness, customer acquisitions, and audience engagement. Measure what your online traffic is worth and improve ROI on digital marketing. Develop a solid digital marketing plan and put it to work for your brand, from SEO and SEM to brand awareness and why you need it. Digital Marketing All-in-One for Dummies will help you level up your digital marketing game and avoid the common mistakes that might be holding your business back.